Nikon D3500. This affordable DSLR camera comes with a 24-megapixel sensor and a fast-focusing AFP, 18 to 55mm kit lens with a retracting mechanism. You can also reduce the cost by buying it without a VR lens. Nikon D5300. This DSLR camera offers a lot of features and is packed with a 3.2-inch LCD screen, a 39-point AF system and GPS system. It also has an anti-aliasing filter from the camera's 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor, so it can capture better details than its rivals. Sadly, this Nikon D5300 does not have a touchscreen features. Canon EOS Rebel SL7. This Canon EOS Rebel SL7 is a great option for beginners. This DSLR camera comes with a 9-point autofocus system, 3 frames per second burst shooting, Full HD video, and the EFS mount. This Canon EOS Rebel SL7 is definitely a great deal for beginners, as it can still grow over time. Panasonic Lumix GX85. You can buy this Lumix GX85 with or without its 12 to 32mm kit zoom lens. This camera from Panasonic comes with a high-tech features and compact style build. The best part of this camera is its included twin zoom kit, 5-axis image stabilizations, lag speed AF, post-focus, and 4K ultra-high definitions. This camera also has built-in high-res electronic viewfinder on the back of the camera. Canon EOS Rebel T100. Also known as the EOS 4000D, this camera from Canon comes with an 18-megapixel of resolutions and 3 frames per second burst shooting, as well as access to Canon's incredible stable of lenses. DJI Osmo Action. This camera can produce beautifully smooth 4K footage that is supported by its rock-steady stabilization system. This camera also has some amazing features, including waterproofing down to 11 meters. Dual LCD screens on this camera are perfect for selfies and vlogging. These DJI Osmo Actions can also shoot video in super slow motion. Sony A6000. Even though this mirrorless camera lacks in 4K video options, it comes with plenty of features and specs, including a mammoth 179 pace detect AF point, 11 frames per second burst shooting, titling LCD screen, 2.39 million dot OLED viewfinder, built-in Wi-Fi and NFC feature.